Hey, what's going on? Welcome back once again. I'm Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with a quick walk around tour of this 2022 Confluence 25 RL travel trailer. Let's get started.
Hi everybody, welcome to Brett's RV and Marine. My name is Dewey. We want to take a couple minutes today and show you this brand new 2022 KZ Confluence 25 rear living travel trailer. A couple key features we'll point out to you on the outside: the double entry doors, very convenient. You've got an extra one going into the bedroom. You don't have to wake everybody up when you're leaving in the morning. We've also given it a little extra ground clearance and aggressive off-road tires for the part of the world that we live in. And then this adjustable awning, super popular. If it's raining, you can lean it one direction or the other. Why don't we go inside and look at a couple more things? So the first thing you notice is the huge rear window in the back right above that tri-fold sofa bed for extra sleeping. You've also got a dinette that will make out into extra sleeping if you need that. We coupled it with an 8 cubic fridge, propane or electric refrigerator, and all this counter space for your meal prep, right above your great TV viewing angle. So one of the most popular features of this floor plan is the mid-bath, which we've started to see recently. Great window for extra light, a nice shower with a skylight above for extra head space. You've got a porcelain toilet and lots of counter space above your medicine cabinet. You walk into the master bedroom, you've got a king-size bed with storage on both sides. You've also got 110 outlets and USB portals up near the heads.
That was Dewey with Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula. Thanks, Dewey, for the tour. For more information about this unit and others, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.